Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by softening the glue so it releases cleanly. Mix warm water and a tablespoon of dish soap per liter. You want suds but not dripping. Apply with a sponge in even passes and let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes. This loosens the adhesive bonds. Once done, use a plastic scraper held flat at a shallow angle to lift softened residue. Make sure to work in small sections so the solution stays active and the wallpaper glue doesn't reharden before removal. You'll tackle stubborn glue by breaking its chemical grip. Mix 1/2 cup white vinegar per liter of warm water to cut through remaining adhesive. Vinegar alters the glue's stickiness, so it wipes away. For very persistent areas, apply a handheld steamer briefly or repeat the soak and scrape cycle. Heat plus moisture weakens the residue faster. Make sure to scrub with a non-abrasive pad rather than metal tools to prevent surface damage, and periodically rinse the wall to check your progress. You finish by removing any detergent film and preparing the surface for finish. Rinse the wall with clean water using a microfiber cloth and blot dry to reveal remaining tacky spots. If you find residue, a light sanding with 220 grit removes thin remnants without gouging. Once smooth, wipe down and test paint adhesion in a corner before priming. If the glue won't budge, apply a commercial adhesive remover per directions and ventilate well. Make sure to test compatibility to avoid damaging the wall finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.